Bonjour YouTube, Bernadette here. Just wanted to come on with a quick video to show you how I transformed a blank wall using these travelers posters that I bought in Paris last month. Speaking of Paris, I just realized 1 month ago today I was still there. But it's nice to come home and bring souvenirs like this to kind of remind you of the good times. Okay, so anyway, normally when I buy souvenirs from Paris, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna buy this art and put it up. I actually wind up just keeping it in my closet, never using it. But I said this time I would not. So I actually went to IKEA and I bought 3 posters, well, 3 frames for the posters that I will use, and I'll show you how I transformed my blank wall. So stay tuned. Check out this French display at my local IKEA. Now, on to what I came for. There are so many frames to choose from. You can get simple, they have matted frames as well as shadow box styles. Keep in mind the weight. Some of the frames, not these in particular, were very heavy. I think I found what I was looking for. I like these. IKEA also has a vast array of art prints. I may have to come back just for that. Guys, this is the inspiration I was going for. So these are the 3 prints that I bought when I was in Paris, and I really wanted to make sure I got the frame that I like in order to post them so they won't just stay in my bag and I forget about them. It's in my closet for years. So I went to IKEA and bought 3 frames. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's get these babies into the frames. I love and prefer frames with matting. I think it makes a picture look so much more elegant and classic. Guys, this film right here is on both sides of the glass. Don't make the mistake I did. I was so frantic to get the picture into the frame, I didn't realize the sticky film was on both sides. So I had to take it apart and do it again. You know what? Peeling off this film is oddly satisfying. The cover is so clear. I knew I had to be very careful with this or else I would easily scratch it up. Isn't this artwork cute? I was so happy to see this. For me, it's been hard to find this building labeled as its original name. Whenever I use a frame, I tend to use all of the inserts. To me, this gives the picture or art much more of a snug fit, and it prevents the art from shifting around. Now, let's speed things up. Okay, I'm all done now. Time to get it up on the wall. From this to this. Guys, I really like the way this turned out. I like the fact that I decided not to have all 3 white frames, but instead have the Chicago poster kind of more bold with the black framing. And I like the height of it. I'm not sure, a part of me, I'm terrible when it comes to putting everything, making sure it's all level because I refuse to use a level, just eyeballing it here. But I think it turned out nice. So guys, let me know what you think of this video. Now, if you think there should be all 3 white frames or all 3 black frames, but I think they all complement each other, especially the fact that the 2 white frames are bordering the Chicago frame because this is the center right here. Well, it's my home and I love touring Montparnasse in Paris. So guys, that's it for this video. Please let me know what you think of it, and I would be so happy if you were to give a like, comment, and share my video. Until the next time, a bientôt.